the rechargeable hand warmers, the Artist in Bloom edition. These are so sleek, a little tech upgrade for winter. Smooth, lightweight, and elegant. This is the Artists in Bloom edition. Small enough to slip in your glove or your pocket, yet solidly built. Okay, so this one is on, and it is warm and delicious. You can see the lights are on. I pressed it on, and this is how you recharge it. So I will charge this one up. It's blue. So that one's charging, but this one is on, and heat it up in seconds. And there's an adjustable temperature level. You can do 1, 2, or 3 by pressing the button. 1, 2, or 3 on high. Wow. So compact and easy to carry for travel, work. Ooh, love it. The warmth is so steady and soothing. It's going to be strong enough to fend off cold fingers, but gentle enough for hours and hours of use. This is amazing. We're taking some winter trips this year. Wow. Or you could use this for walking the dog, chilly at a desk, or anything outside. And I like the quick charging here. Really nice. Would I buy again? Absolutely. These are going to be given as little stocking stuffers or other kind of gifts. Cute design. So cute design. And warmth can look as good as it feels. Perfect mix of style, comfort, and practicality. A little winter essential disguised as a little piece of art. Highly recommend.